Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing or a quick little flip through of the Lovecasting Oracle by Flavia Kate Peters and Barbara Meiklejohn-Free. Now they do quite a few, they collab on quite a few decks actually. This one is particularly, they talk about the deities. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so talk about Medusa, Aphrodite, it's Aphrodite, isn't it? Sorry, Aphrodite, Freya, Maeve, Dionysus, Lilith, Ishtar, and Cupid. I felt it was a little bit quite Cupid-y. So basically, the deck is picture yourself in a sacred circle, the moon's light illuminating your path. In your hands, you hold Lovecasting Oracle, a tool of empowerment and transformation. As you draw each card, you awaken the Lovecaster within, who dares to summon their desires, spin the web of their fate, and cast love magic into the world with courage and purpose. So whether you're calling in a soulmate, nurturing romance, deepening friendships, or reigniting love within yourself, the Lovecaster knows that true love begins within. It's an ultimate connection with your divine self and the creator, the source of all love. So the deck offers more than cards. It's a key to unlocking the ancient art of love casting. Each card offers magical guidance, practical witchery, and transformational spells to guide your journey. So you've got tools, and then it shows you how to do the card spreads and timing for card spreads as well. So it's a gorgeous little deck. And you've got guidance and witchery, and then a spell for each card. Okay, and there are 36 cards, or 36 cards, that's it, and this guidebook. Okay, so I'll show you the deck of the cards. So you've got, they are glossies, as you can see, because they're bouncing off the light there. They've got a heart on the back of all of them, obviously quite a pink. This is a gorgeous magenta gilt edge. That's beautiful. Very good quality cardstock. Easy to shuffle. I love this size of card actually, because it's really easy to shuffle. Okay, so you've got 36 of them. Let's start at the very beginning. I'm going to try and make sure the light doesn't go on it. That's it. And I'll place them here. So you've got heartbreak, the alchemy of grief, the magic of first love, rejection. So you've got like the name of the card, the number, the name of the card, and then like a subheading, I guess, really. We'll take a look in a minute and see what one of them means. Give a little. If you think back to the days, let's say, I mean, a lot of diviners, wise old women were asked to get involved in people's love lives, weren't they? So this could be a similar tool that you might use to guide people as well as yourself. If I'm going too fast, then you can literally slow the thing down. In the settings it is. There we go, that's all the cards. Let's pick one randomly. There we go. Dionysus, the magic of desire, number 15. So let's see, let's say I pulled that card if I was looking for love. 15, there we go, and they're in numerical order, which is awesome. Right, guidance. The wild and untamed god of wine, fertility, and ecstasy calls you to the primal rhythms of your soul. He's the liberator of inhibitions, the bringer of joy, and the master of revelry. But his shadow walks the path of indulgence, obsession, and the intoxicating allure of chaos. He beckons you into the wild woods of your spirit, where your desires roar, unbridled forces awaken. Horned and magnetic, he reveals the forbidden fantasies and primal urges you dare not voice. He does not judge your cravings or orientation. Instead, he embraces all who seek him with open arms. You can end up being quite undone. So this card calls you into the sacred balance of Dionysus' magic. Embrace your desires as part of your divine self, but temper them with awareness and mastery. And then you've got a spell here, witchery. Take a raw egg to a crossroads. Put your intentions to break your addiction into the egg. You can, so I guess this is if you're in an obsessive relationship and you find it difficult to let go. That's clever. Throw the egg into the center of the crossroads and walk away, leaving the addiction trapped within the 4 directions. Awesome. Then you've got the love casting spell. So that is the love casting oracle. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.